Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Windows 11 update KB5077241. You are getting an error, something didn't go as planned. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, click on Start menu, type CMD and choose the option Run as Administrator. Now in CMD, type in a command dism /online /cleanup -image /restorehealth and then hit the enter key. Now wait for this command to finish completing scanning and repairing your Windows file. It will take up to 5 minutes for repairing and completely restoring the process. So wait for it. Once this command is successfully completed, type in second command, which is sfc /scannow. Now again wait for this command also to finish. And once it is completed, make sure to restart your PC and then try to update your Windows again. If this failed to work out, in next step, open up this PC, then click on the View tab and select Show and choose or checkmark the option Show Hidden Files. Then open C drive and right over here you will find a folder with the name $WinReagent. Once you find this folder, right click and choose option Delete. After deleting this folder, simply again go to the Windows Update section and then try to update your Windows to fix out the issue. If this also failed, in third step, right click on Start menu, choose the option Run, type here fwiz.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now from the left pane, click on the option Turn Windows feature on or off. Right over here, you will find the option of hyperV. If this option is check marked, uncheck it and then hit the option OK. Once it is done, it is saying to restart your PC. So make sure restart your PC and then try to update your Windows again to fix out the issue. And if nothing works, open up your web browser and you need to manually download the update which is giving you the error. So here's the official website of the Microsoft. You need to type in over here KB5077241 and then hit the enter key. Now from here, if your Windows version is 25S2, download the first link, and if your Windows version is 24S2, download it from the second link. So if at my end, if it is 25S2, I'll click on the download option to download the Windows Update KB5077241 right from here. Click on the link and save the update package right into your system. Now once it is fully downloaded, go ahead and double click to run it and install the Windows Update KB5077241 and this will fix out the issue. So as of now, that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.